always want to know what you think after you do a workout. Okay, let's get going. Women's favorite exercise of all time is always push-ups. Kidding, but we're starting with that. I have a mat here because I want to go to the ground eventually, but I do want to start here and get our form down perfectly before we do anything else. Now when you come down, head, neck, spine in a straight line, and I want your chest at the bench or just above the bench, not ever moving your head. Okay, we're gonna start arms wide. We're gonna go in and out. Okay, arms wide, look at the top of the bench. Here we go. Down. Now you can also, if this is too challenging, you can also do this against the wall. Start there and then come to a bench or a chair. Let's just do one more at that tempo. Singles right here. Now, push-ups are amazing for the core as well as the chest and the shoulders. 4 more like that. Seriously, don't forget to breathe. Last 2. Last 1. How does that feel? Pretty good, I bet. Okay, now we're gonna do one arm at a time. I want you to grab your heaviest dumbbell, whatever that is. I'm actually gonna come like this, and we're gonna do a row. Both knees bent. Give me a row right here. Now, if this is not heavy enough, and you have 2 dumbbells, you can put 2 dumbbells in your hand, or next time, go out and buy a heavier dumbbell just for this one. 4 more just like that, then we'll change sides. Then we'll go back to push-ups. Last 2 right here. Now make sure you keep that elbow in. Switch. Nice and tight, close to your body. Bend your knees. I don't want you to feel that in your back at all. Ready? Here we go. And what was this? That was, see how from my head to my tailbone is in a straight line? Please keep that straight line. You're never gonna jerk it like that. That will really not feel good for your low back. 4 more right here. 4. Last 2 right here. 1 more. Bend down and put that down. Please always bend down when you put your weights down. Going back to the push-ups. We're slowing it down. Ready? Down for 3. Here we go. 3, 2, right back up. 3, 2, 1. There's 3, 2. 1 more at that tempo, then we'll go to singles. For 100. No. Just 8. 7. Nothing wrong with body weight exercises. You can do them anywhere. Last 2 right here. Here's 2. And 1. Come on up. We're going back to the row. In fact, whenever you're out walking, let's row right here. Every time you pass a bench, please stop and do some push-ups. That is the perfect place to do push-ups, either on the top or where you sit. Either one is great. Keep breathing. Last 2 right here. Ready? Here we go. And breathe. So really think about it. We're working with your lats, the big muscles in your back. Squeeze those. Last 4 right here. Here we go. Here's 4. There's 3. There's 2. 1 more. Okay, now I want to switch up the exercises. Our push-ups, our hands were here. Hands are going to be here. Elbows are going to stay in to focus on the tricep, which every woman wants to work on. However far apart your shoulders are, that's where you put your hands. Ladies, your shoulders are not this big, they're this big. That's what I want them to be. Down for 2 right here. Now these are going to be a little bit harder. Your elbows are going to want to come out. Please keep them tucked in. Down and breathe. Up. Down, down, up. Bring it down. Don't forget to breathe out on the way up. We won't do too many more because these are so fun. Come on. Stay with me. You got this. 3, 3. Last 2. You can do 2 of anything. Come on. 1 more right here. Okay. Now I want you to grab your lighter weight, please. I'm going to move this just to the side. Now, we're going to stand like we're in a row, but we're actually going to do a straight arm out to the side, but we're going to be out here, which focuses on the back of your shoulder. Ready? Here we go. Up. Up. Now I want you to look, once you see what I'm doing, look down to the ground. Please don't look up. I don't want to compromise your neck. Here's my dog. Gimli photobombing every video. Last two. Last one. So you're just coming straight out to the side. We're staying with singles. Okay, ready? Here we go. Up. Think about that back of your shoulder. And try not to lean. My left arm is coming up. Try not to lean to the right. Stay balanced. Woo! As I said that, I almost fell over. Oh my gosh. More like that. 3, 2, one more. Sit down. Always bend down. Okay. Triceps, Gimli. Remember, ladies, your shoulders are not here. They're right here. Keep those elbows tucked in. Excuse me. Down for 2, here we go. Down, up, down for 2. I really don't want to disturb him. You have animals, you understand. Down for 2. Bring it down. I don't really want to move your butt that way. Okay, we're doing 4 singles, here we go. 4, 3, elbows stay tucked in. One more. Great job. Now remember, when we're doing this, we're coming here. We're not coming like this. I want the top of your shoulder and back to keep facing the ceiling. Gonna do 8 singles each side. Ready? Here we go. 8, 7, 6. Excellent work. Last 4 right here. 3, 2, 1. Switch. Stay stable in your body, please. Bend both those legs, hand on that leg. Ready? Here we go. 8, 7, 6. Halfway there, come on. 4, 3, 2, and 1. How are you feeling so far? It's so cold. Excuse me, my nose is running. Grab a drink whenever you need one, please. Okay. Light or heavier weight, whatever you have. Let's do some more tricep because we never want to be waving away in the wind. Okay. Kind of like what we just did. This. But instead of straight up, we're going straight back. And if this weight is too heavy, please grab your other one. There is nothing good about trying to muscle out. And what I mean is like doing that. Let your arm do all the work. Same position, arm goes straight back. Ready? Here we go. 8, 7. I want you to think about that tricep. As you bring the arm up, squeeze it at the top. 4 more. 3, 2, and 1. Let's switch right here. I'm just turning so you see exactly what I'm doing. Not moving my body. Okay? 8, here we go. 8, 7, 6. Come on, breathe with me. Last 4 right here. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Guess what? We're gonna do the same thing to the front. Bend those knees. Here we go. And why do I put my hand behind my back? I don't know. Your hand can be here. It just feels comfortable there. Tighten that core. Come on. 4 more. Excellent. Sculpting your shoulders right here. 2 and 1. Woo! Keep those knees bent. Tight right here, please. Here we go. Enough good to breathe. If it's ever too heavy, grab a different dumbbell. Last 2 right here. 2. Try to hold your breath. You see me pursing my lips? Don't do that. Okay. Straight arm back. Bend those legs. Hang that arm. Ready? Here we go. Squeeze the top. You always want that mind-muscle connection. 4 more just like that. 4, keep that form strong. Last 2. 2. Switch. You don't have to turn direction, but I want to stay in frame for you. Last 8, here we go. 8, 7, 6, come on. 4 more right here. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Remember, you can be here, you can be here, it can be straight down, whatever you want. Core is tight. Here we go. How you feeling? Last 4 right here. 4, good work. 3, you're going to the ground. After this, 2. Breathe every time, here we go. 8, 7, 6, hang in there. 5, maybe not, actually. 2, 1 more. Bend down, grab a quick drink. Let's stay up. Let's keep that little boy in frame. We're gonna do a curl and press. Now, the reason I like to do all of these single arm is because a lot of times, here's what I see. I see this. This is perfect form. If you have weights that are heavy enough that you can keep that form, feel free to do both arms. 1 arm at a time. I want your body nice and tall. Ready? Curl and press, here we go. Up, reach up. Come on. Keep that elbow nice and close to that body. I'd rather have you have great form and do 1 arm at a time than have awful form. There's nothing good about awful form except for nothing. Injuries happen that way. And if this is very easy, please go out and get heavier dumbbells for next time. 1 more right here. Really great work. Let's switch. Keep those knees bent always. Why do I say that? If you lock your knees, you can feel it in your back. I don't want that to happen ever. Bend those knees. Here we go. I'm a big proponent in staying safe and working your muscles, not momentum. Momentum doesn't build your strength, that is for sure. And breathe, and breathe. Good work right here. These are gonna be our last exercises of the day. If you get to the end and you're thinking, that was so easy, guess what? Go through it again. Last one right here. I'm doing 2 sets of everything. You can go through and do 4 sets of everything. That would be amazing when you're ready, okay? Here we go. And if you wonder why I pause, I have to wait for the music. I'm an old teacher. I gotta start at the top of the beat, the top of the phrase. And if that doesn't mean anything, that's okay. Helps me count though, without having to count. Helps me to keep track of how many reps we're doing. Okay, breathe. That's it, we're doing a little bit more because we can. Last 3 right here. Great work. Last 2. These seem long, huh? Last 1 right here. Excellent work. Okay, last 1. Keep those knees bent. Tighten up that core right here. We're super tight the whole time. Here we go. Up. Last ones. Now, you can keep this workout in your back pocket. So you go out for a walk or a jog or a bike ride and you're thinking, I want a little something afterwards. This little 15 minutes is perfect. Or if you're at home and you work from home, you think, I just want a quick break. You're not gonna get sweaty. You just wanna move and feel great. This is perfect. Okay, Team Sherman, we have 4 more here. Team of exercisers. I hope you're getting a little bit fatigued, not sacrificing your form though. Last 2 right here. Last 1. Excellent, bend down, put that away. I'm going to put some fluffy music on. We'll do a quick stretch because I always have to stretch after we work out. Okay, shake those arms out. Keep those knees bent. Bring 1 arm across your body. Tilt your head that same way. Thank you for spending time with me today. Please comment if you do the video. I always like to hear what you think. And I do take requests if there's something you're looking for. I try to create once a week or so. Let's switch. And please know that you don't need an hour to get a great workout in. Every minute that you spend on yourself and your health is totally worth it. Raise your hand, I'm gonna sit down. Raise your hand if you had a good time. Touch your fingertips to your shoulder blade. bring that back. Sneaky way to stretch out your triceps, unless you worked out with me before, you know my tricks by now, but it does feel really good for those triceps. Switch sides, raise your hand if you're glad we're done. Fingertips to your shoulder blades. You're gently, never forcefully bringing that elbow back just a little bit to feel that great stretch in your tricep. That worked really hard today. We did a bunch of exercises for your triceps. Now, there is no such thing as spot reducing, friends. However, strength training does firm up your muscles. So if you are looking to tighten and tone up your arms, lift heavier weights. Lift heavy weights, start with light and move your way up. Shake it out. Let's finish up with a low back stretch. Just a quick stretch for your body. Arch it back down and bring it up. And arch it down again. Kind of neutral, look up and over one shoulder, because it just feels good to stretch. And switch sides. And come back to the center, roll it down, and roll it up. Hey, thank you so much for spending time with me today. I always love working out with you. Now go out, have an amazing rest of your day.